The Governor's Public Health Commission has wrapped up its statewide listening tour. That's as it works to improve Indiana's public health system.
Yeah, CBS 4 State House reporter Kristen Eskow joins us live to show us some of the challenges the health departments are facing. Kristen.
Well, Debbie and Aaliyah, there was a lot of interest in the commission's final input meeting, a packed room in Plainfield, as the Governor's Public Health Commission made its final stop on its listening tour. One of the members of that commission tells me any health officials are sharing similar concerns when it comes to funding and resources.
There's always that worry about the dirty bomb or a biological terrorism agent.
Preparedness, programs, and personnel. Those were just some of the topics discussed as the Governor's Public Health Commission heard from Hoosiers, including local health leaders.
What kind of delays are happening in public health programming because there's a delay in getting paperwork?
We need to direct funding, not just to shiny new buildings. I need the horses to pull the cart.
Governor Eric Holcomb formed the Public Health Commission last year. It's working to issue recommendations on ways to improve Indiana's public health system. The commission spent the last few weeks touring the state to gather input.
But the things that we do and the things that we need, I think we've heard echoed across the state.
Mindy Waldron serves on the commission and deals with many of those issues firsthand as the health administrator for Allen County. She says finding more sustainable forms of funding and strengthening the public health workforce are two of the biggest themes health leaders have raised.
We've seen, I think, over these last 2 years, the importance of a robust public health delivery system and that it's ready, sustained, and trained.
Next, the Governor's Public Health Commission will meet a few more times this spring to discuss what should be included in its final report with those recommendations. That report will be released by the end of the summer. Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
Kristen, thank you.